Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. Well, Samsung unveiled the latest version of its flip format smartphone back in August with the arrival of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. That particular model has already garnered a very enthusiastic reviews, but there are rumors starting to float around about what we should expect in its successor, the Z Flip 5. There is no official date as of yet from Samsung, but we can look at the past release schedule to give ourselves a clue on when we might see the device appear. As the past 3 generations have made their debuts in August, we think it's a pretty safe bet that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be revealed in August 2023. How much will the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 cost? Well, phones with folding screens still occupy the higher end of the price bracket when it comes to mobile devices, but we have seen costs starting to come down as the innovative technology becomes more mainstream. There's a good chance you'll still be paying top dollar when the Flip 5 comes around. Comparing with the previous model Z Flip 4 128GB, cost $999. Prices on the Flip 4 are mostly the same as those of the previous generation, with Europeans actually seeing a slight decrease. Whether Samsung can repeat this trick with the class of 2023 remains to be seen, as the financial markets and supply chains are showing signs of turbulence. Hopefully the prices may drop, not will be the ceiling rather than the ground floor in terms of costs with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. With its release date still being far off in the distance, there aren't too many rumors about the Galaxy Z Flip 5, a report that the new model will boast the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This chip is expected to be announced in November by Qualcomm at its Snapdragon Summit conference. The new silicon is thought to be more energy efficient, and early reports suggest that improved heat management will prevent the chip, and the devices in which it's installed, from heating up too much during use. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will get a healthy upgrade to its main camera sensor, going from 12MP to 50MP. There has yet to be any reports that we might see the same improvement heading to the Flip 5. Hopefully this does turn out to be the case, as the camera performance on the Flip 4, while decent, could certainly benefit from a spec bump to compete with rivals in 2023. So far, that's all we've seen so far in terms of rumors around the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, but as one of the main weaknesses of the Flip range has been battery life and camera performance, it could be that the more energy efficient processor and potential sensor upgrade for the main camera will address both of these areas. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. One, peace out.